Hello, tick traders. I'm recording this for recording purpose. For myself and for all my subscribers there online, so that you know, when you see a working strategy like this that you built by yourself, you would like to record it so that for future purpose, and that's the reason I'm recording it so that anytime I want to come back to what to review it, I get it now. So that's the purpose, and for you guys so that you can learn and know easily how to how to make the market. And one thing I want to tell you is this: you can use any indicator to make money. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using Fractal alone, just only Fractal. Don't worry, forget about the moving average there. I get it now. I'm going to be using Fractal to trade. Now, you don't need to, you can use any time frame. Are you getting it now? You can use any time frame, but mostly if you go to 5 minute time frame, you see that the fractal doesn't occur often there. See, if you look at this place after some uptrend here, and when the after from uptrend, when the market is reversing back, we only have only the up fractal here. Are you getting it now? So the highest up fractal is this here, and the lowest up fractal is this one here. Are you getting it now? So now what you are going to do is this. Now let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. Go to 1 minute. Are you getting it now? Let's go to 1 minute. Now what we're going to do is this. Now let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. That you see here, we've been having uptrend here, uptrend from here. Now let's look at this uptrend here. The first thing you are going to be looking at here, from year to year to year up like this, you see when the market is going up. Understand? Let's assume that we are here. We are here. Are you getting it now? We are here. No, sorry. Let's say we are here when these two fractal form this one, when these two fractal from this fractal, and this fractal here, when they form. Are you getting it now? Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, where is the fractal? Okay, this is a fractal when they form. Are you getting it now? So this fractal and this fractal. Are you getting it now? Now if you look at this, you see that the highest fractal is this compared to the previous one here, eh? And the lowest fractal is this. So that's the first thing you have to look at. So when you look at the formation of the fractal, you pick the current highest one and the current lowest one. Now what we are going to do is this: we are going to put a line here. Let me draw a line. We're going to draw a line here. Let me put two lines. Okay. Let me put two lines here. Now we're going to draw a line here on the current. They say this is the current highest high, then the current lowest low. Are you getting it now? The current lowest fractal. Now you'll be looking at it when the price is forming. Understand? Price is forming. Now you see when the market get to this place. When the market get to this place, it forms another fractal here. Are you getting it now? Now this the lowest fractal now. Because like the lowest fractal or the the down the down fractal. I get it now. Is this? So you move it to this place. You move it up. Are you getting it now? Now we are using these two range to determine the breakout. Now, if you look at it from here now, the breakout happens here around here. Happens around here. Are you getting it now? So once candle closes above that line, understand? Then you buy. Now, if you have enough money in your account, understand? You can buy immediately after that closing of the candle. You buy. Are you getting it now? You buy. And where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be just a little bit below this fractal here. Are you getting it now? Then your risk reward ratio will be 1 to 2 reward ratio. And if you look at it, you see that we have almost 1 to 2 risk reward ratio here. Are you getting it now? Up, go. So that is that. Are you getting it now? That is that. But if you don't have enough, understand, after this breakout, you can wait for the market to retest. Are you getting it now? You see, can wait for the market to retest back. Sometimes it will retest back into the fractal and go out. So immediately it closes above it again here, then you buy. You see, keep going up. That is a kind of confirmation here that you can wait for. Understand? Kind of confirmation. Retest, then it goes up. Then it goes up. Are you getting it now? So that is that. Now let's look at the current market now. You see, the market get to this place now. Now that's exactly what I want to record video of. The market get to this place, and start reversing back. Are you getting it now? Start reversing back. Understand? So let's assume that we are here. Are you getting it now? So the lowest low, the lowest bottom of the fractal is this, then the highest is this. You put the two line there. Let's see where the breakout is. Breakout is not forming. Then here we have the lowest bottom here, then the next highest here. Are you getting it now? So we are looking for the breakout. There's no breakout yet. Then this fractal form, but we're not going to use this. But this one is the latest highest high of the fractal. So we are still maintaining this. I get it now. Why this one is lowest low? Then this one form here. This this is the highest fractal, and the lowest fractal is this, the new one that just formed now. Are you getting it now? So that is what we are using. And if you look at it, there's no breakout yet between them. Are you getting it now? Then this one formed, this new highest high formed, then this one still maintain the lowest low of the fractal. So those are the two range we are using next. Are you getting it now? Then we are looking for breakout. There's no breakout. Are you getting it now? Then here we have the first breakout. This red candle break out this line, break out here. Are you getting it now? Now you can what? Let me draw a line here. This is this is uh this is our candle that break out this line, this low fractal here. Are you getting it now? Sorry, let me draw it very well. Yeah, this is the breakout point by this that red candle. So you can sell at the next candle, and your stop loss, where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be above the fractal here, just a little bit above it. Are you getting it now? Then your risk reward ratio will be what? Twice of this. Are you getting it now? You see, we've already taken one, but don't worry, it will come back down again. It's coming back down. It's coming back. Are you getting it now? It will come back again. It's coming back. Are you getting it now? So now, or if you don't have much in your account, as I've always said, understand, you can what? Let this as it retests up, then it come back again. When it closes below it again, are you getting it now? You can enter immediately, or you enter here to sell. See, after here now you keep coming. Even if you pick, if you enter here, from here to this place is enough money for you if you put a lot. If you put enough money, I get it now. If you put a lot, I get it now. So that is one way to catch spy. One way to catch spy. Now, if you look at it here, what we have here is the lowest low. Here is the lowest low, but there is no there is the lowest bottom. There is no uh uh uh, uh the uh or can I say the here will be our lower low. Okay, okay, we can say the lower, the fractal, the lower high, the higher high and the higher low is what we are using here. Then this will now be the let me remove all this. So after this crossover here, are you getting it now? Then this will be our lower low. then our higher high, no, this will be our lower low, then our lower high is this. Yeah, the lower high is this. So that is the tool we are using. I get it. This one has formed a low, form a lower, a higher low here, but we are not using that. Understand? So because we are in the downtrend, I get it now. So we are using this and this, but the market cannot get to this place, so it will surely come back again. So what you are going to do is you can take your profit a little bit, and when you see the market is trying to reverse up, I get it now, of trying to form a higher, a fractal, a kind of fractal, higher, higher low. I get it now. Then you can what here? Sorry, when you see the fractal forming a higher, because I told you I'm calling this for myself also. When you see a fractal, this one now fractal forms, I get it now. Then here it forms what a higher low. Then before this red candle formed, before it formed this red candle, I mean, before it formed this long red candle, you will have what? Stop your trade and you have taken this profit. Now, see, it's forming what? It's forming another uh, lower high. Let's form another lower high. I get it now. But this one still maintain our what? Lower low. I get it now. Transform another lower high. This still maintain our lower low. Understand? Once it breaks this below here, understand that you can what? You can sell again. You can sell again. Can sell again. Can sell again. So the two range that will be between here and here. So if it breaks above here, that means it's going up. So you buy. Are you getting that? So if it breaks below this lower low, let me use the line. Sorry. If it breaks below this current one, lower high, you buy. But you come down and break below this lower low, you what? You keep selling, sell again. Are you getting it now? So these are the things. These are the things. Don't forget, we enter our trade here. That's our break point. So the next break point now, the next break point now is here and here. So let's see what the market will do. I'll pause, then I'll come back. But I assure you that I think the market is coming down. So let me pause. So I quickly want to show you this. It's the market forms another fractal here. I get it now. Form another fractal here. I think it has cleared that fractal. You see, so so it's trying to form more fractal here. I guess another uh, uh, um higher uh, lower eye has been formed. I get it now. So the fractal that is here has already been cleared off. Understand? Then forms. So we have a lower eye, new lower eye here. Understand? So what will happen is this is no more valid here. So this will be our new lower eye, but this one still maintain our lower low. I get it now. Can you see now? So we are waiting for this. I told you the market will come down. I told you it will come down. So, but before you enter, we are entering here. Be when the market closes, when if the market closes below this lower low, yeah, that's a fractal. So, so just have to be patient. Patience is the key. Understand? And don't forget when this uh, market closes below it, are you getting it now? You can close below it here, then try to retest back. Are you getting it now? So if you have much, you can enter immediately. If you don't have much, you can wait for it to what to retest. When it retests and it come back and it closes below it again, then you sell. Then you see the market coming down. You see? So can wait for the test. So this is how to use fractal, to just only fractal to what to trade retest, retest. Understand? So if you are using a breakout and retest, you can use fractal for breakout and retest. I'm going to do more video about this, going to do more video about this. I'm going to sorry, I just withdraw some money from my account, and I'm going to deposit it and trade it live for you guys to see. Understand? I don't believe in using visual money. Visual money is still okay, but when you're using your live account, people will see it, and you can what master your emotions, your feelings, your greed and fear, and all those things, and you will be very, very careful of what you are doing. And when you see me doing it live, you know that this is what is the real deal. Understand? So uh let's see what we happen. We are waiting for the market to close below it. I'm going to pause for you guys. So let me put a line, a good line there. Let me put a good line there so that we can see it ourselves. Okay, so good, good. Can you see? So put a line there. Good. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay. Can you see the market has closed below it? The market, okay, they didn't close below it. I think it closed exactly at that level. So, but then you can't trust that the market closes exactly around that level. So we just have to wait for this candle to close. So if this one closes below it, understand? So then we have our trade. Understand? So and if you look at this now, this one maybe retesting, then come back and close below it. Understand? So we just have to wait for this one to close. So if this one closes below it, below this line, then we have our selling position. So then it's going back up again. So what this one is doing now is like it's retesting. I get it now. So it's going back up. Understand? So just let the market do his own thing. Let me pause, then I'll come back. Say, look at this, look at this. Can you see what the market is playing? And then I think this is the right time to sell. But if you look at this, the market is playing us quite time. I mean, big time. Understand? So market has break out with a big candle. Understand? Something like this, you just have to be very careful, because when the market break out with a big candle like this, and you just have a $10 account, the market can trace back. Are you getting it now? And play you. Understand? So you just have to be careful. Like this one now, you can enter here now and sell, because the market will still come back. So can enter here and sell. So it's just this one is kind of retest. So you can enter around here. As the market is going up, you sell. As it's going up, you sell. These are the things. The market is going up here, you sell. Are you getting it now? You sell. As it comes up here, you sell. Are you getting it? uh So can you see? Can you see? So understand? So then you sell, you sell, you sell. Or you kind of retest. But if you enter here, understand? You may have risked some certain money. Are you getting it now? From here to here. Are you getting it? So, but the market, this is a good time to what? This is a good time to what? To sell. Yeah, sell here, you sell here. So, because the market is coming down. Can you see? Market is coming down. Can you see? So now, if you look at what I've been telling you here, our initial entry is here. Are you getting it now? And this is the stop loss position, and we are using 1 to 2 ratio, which is uh here. And you see, I think we've already taken our 1 to 2 ratio. Can you see 1, 2? Are you getting it now? And it's still coming down. Already taking our profit 1 to 2 ratio. Understand? So patience is the key. If you know what you are doing, understand? Even if the market is going up and down, you will not be moved, because you know the destination. Are you getting it now? So I just discovered this today. I said, wow, I think I will need to do a video on this for for the future purpose. Understand? So please, guys, try this over there. Please test it with demo first. Test it with demo first. I get it now. I'm going to test it more and more. I get it now. So I'll be recording more videos on it. This is my brand new strategy that I'm recording. I get it now. I'm recording it live. This is early morning. I mean, early morning 12, around 12 or 1. Understand? So I'm supposed to be sleeping now, but I said no, I have to record this, because if I wake up tomorrow Understand? By God's grace, I may have forgotten. Understand? So, but the Lord being so good, we're going to make it in life. We're going to make it big time. Enough brokers have eaten enough money, and this is our time to keep earning. So thank God for this strategy, guys. Please learn this. Let's see how it goes. Understand? Let's see how it goes. Thank you. Bye.